Imagine a world where blockchain is no longer a complex technology reserved for experts, but a tool as simple and intuitive as a mobile app. What if, in the near future, you could send cryptocurrency as effortlessly as you send a text message? That's the revolution Abstract is bringing to life. Abstract is a next-generation blockchain designed to redefine user experience in the crypto space. Set to launch officially in January, this bold project aims to make blockchain an essential part of everyday life, accessible to everyone, free from technical barriers. Today, blockchain technology remains daunting for many. Setting up a wallet, managing seed phrases, and navigating complex processes turn most people away. Many projects prioritize technical infrastructure but neglect user experience. This is where Abstract stands out. With Abstract, blockchain fades into the background, much like an invisible database in your favorite apps. It's no longer about technology, it's about experience. In this video, we'll explore how Abstract revolutionizes the way we use blockchain, offering simple tools, engaging applications, and a clear vision for the future. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, where we share all the latest updates about crypto. The link is in the description. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Despite its immense potential, blockchain remains largely underutilized by the general public. Why? Because it's just too complicated. For an average user, managing a crypto wallet or making a transaction can be intimidating. Seed phrases are hard to understand and even harder to store securely. Users fear losing access to their funds if these phrases are compromised. Current interfaces are often designed for tech-savvy users. They lack clarity and user-friendliness, discouraging newcomers. Many blockchain projects focus on technical aspects like speed and scalability without addressing user experience, creating a gap between developers and consumers. To solve these issues, we need a user-first approach. And that's exactly what Abstract offers, simplifying blockchain access and eliminating barriers for new users. Abstract is a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum, leveraging zero-knowledge rollups. This technology groups multiple transactions and validates them on Ethereum in one go, reducing costs and increasing speed while maintaining a high level of security. This architecture ensures a smooth user experience crucial for attracting mainstream adoption. At the heart of Abstract's ecosystem is the Abstract Global Wallet, a solution that simplifies managing digital assets. Creating an account is as easy as signing up with an email or social media login. No more complex seed phrases. Users can focus on the essentials, sending, receiving, and managing assets without technical hurdles. But Abstract doesn't stop at making cryptocurrency management easier. The platform will launch with captivating applications, exclusive play-to-earn games, tools for investors like meme coin launchpads, and much more. These features turn blockchain into an engaging, fun experience accessible to all. For developers, Abstract provides simple yet powerful tools like Hardhat and Third Web, streamlining the development and deployment of smart contracts. This flexibility attracts a community of innovative creators, enriching the ecosystem with unique and practical applications. Unlike other blockchains, Abstract doesn't rely on massive subsidies to attract developers. Applications naturally gravitate toward the platform, recognizing its potential to reach mainstream audiences. This approach sets Abstract apart and positions it as a key player in the future of blockchain. Abstract isn't just a high-performance blockchain, it's an environment designed for creativity and innovation. At launch, over 60 applications will be available, spanning a wide range of use cases. Among them are rewarding games, investment tools, and applications tailored to everyday users. Play-to-earn games are a central feature of the ecosystem, allowing users to have fun while earning rewards, driving blockchain adoption. Meanwhile, meme coin launchpads offer unique opportunities for investors seeking innovative projects. Abstract doesn't just attract users, it's also a haven for developers thanks to its robust infrastructure and efficient tools. The ability to quickly develop applications, combined with a simplified user experience, makes it an ideal platform for impactful projects. Abstract's ambition is clear: to transform blockchain into a daily use technology. With practical use cases like shopping, ticketing, and entertainment, Abstract bridges the gap between blockchain and real-world needs. This pragmatic, user-focused approach enables it to engage a much broader audience than traditional blockchain projects. Joining the Abstract ecosystem not only provides access to a wide range of innovative services, but also opens up financial opportunities, including rewards from games and returns on blockchain investments. So why is Abstract a unique opportunity for investors? Abstract is more than just another blockchain. It's a platform designed to capture a massive market, consumers who have yet to embrace blockchain technology. With its user-centered approach, Abstract sets itself apart from competitors by fostering an environment ripe for mass adoption. This growth potential makes Abstract a strategic opportunity for investors. Abstract is backed by strong partnerships with influential brands and developers, enhancing its ecosystem from the outset. These collaborations enable Abstract to deliver concrete, attractive use cases, making blockchain relevant for daily life. With plans to launch its token in 2025, Abstract offers a unique investment opportunity. Active users and investors will benefit from perks like airdrops and rewards, encouraging active participation in the ecosystem. Abstract's vision goes beyond short-term gains. It aims to create a lasting shift in how people interact with blockchain technology. By investing in Abstract today, strategic partners gain a lever to shape the future of consumer blockchain. In short, Abstract represents a unique opportunity for visionary investors. With a solid ecosystem, enormous growth potential, and a clear strategy, Abstract is poised to become a cornerstone in the transition of blockchain to mainstream technology. The future of blockchain is being built, and Abstract is at its center. For those who haven't quite grasped everything yet, here's a quick and simple summary. Abstract isn't just a blockchain, it's a platform that makes the technology fun and easy to use. Through the Abstract portal, you can play, create, or explore applications without ever worrying about blockchain's technical details. Its global wallet lets you sign up with just an email, no complex seed phrases required, and manage your assets as easily as sending a message. In essence, Abstract transforms blockchain into an accessible and enjoyable experience for users while offering powerful tools for creators and developers. With strategic partnerships and a vibrant community, Abstract is set to become a vital force in the future of blockchain. If you're looking for a technology that works for you, rather than the other way around, Abstract is the answer. Abstract's distribution strategy is a testament to its focus on connecting with consumers where they already are. With a growing audience of almost 1 million followers on X across Abstract Chain and Abstract Eco, and a massive 1.7 million Instagram followers driven by its partnership with Pudgy Penguins, Abstract has built an expansive digital presence. Beyond social media, the brand has also secured over 4,000 retail locations in the US through Pudgy Toys, which integrate innovative on-chain redeemable features. This multi-channel approach positions Abstract as a leader in bringing blockchain technology to mainstream audiences, ensuring developers are drawn to its ecosystem to meet the demand of an engaged and expanding consumer base. Abstract's upcoming token launch in 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated events in the blockchain space, and for good reason. This token represents much more than a typical cryptocurrency. It's the backbone of a rapidly growing ecosystem designed to merge blockchain technology with mainstream consumer adoption. Getting involved in the token early allows investors to position themselves at the forefront of a platform that is already demonstrating significant traction. Moreover, the token will likely play a central role in Abstract's ecosystem, from governance to rewards. Users who actively participate, whether through games, decentralized applications, or other services, could benefit from token incentives like staking rewards or airdrops. This utility ensures the token has real-world value and consistent demand. Abstract's token represents an investment in the future of consumer blockchain technology. It's not just about speculation, it's about becoming part of a network that's designed to integrate seamlessly into everyday life, whether through games, retail, or decentralized finance. With strong fundamentals, innovative partnerships, and a clear vision, this token could become one of the standout success stories in the crypto space. For savvy investors, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed learning about Abstract and its game-changing potential, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.
Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the future of blockchain and crypto. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.